Well, hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I've been thinking a few things over this week. I think it's time to come to an end and it's time to say goodbye to a few things. So we've been recording in this nice little setup for around about 2 years now, since 400 subscribers. Now that just seemed quite a while back and we just thought it's time for a change. So this setup was a simple design. It was made within 2 days or so. In fact, out of any materials we could find. Yes, quite an amateur look overall, but things have to come to an end, and for me, it's quite an end of an era. So into the fire pit it goes, and it's time to say goodbye. I'm back with a new setup designed within 2 days by myself, and yeah, quite simplistic, quite minimalistic in fact, but nice and bright, with a nice water resistant base for testing out those earphones that we test in the future. So yes, this setup is almost future proof protected, very clean lines, with a nice LED backdrop glow to it. We just thought we'd showcase this behind the scenes footage, basically to show you guys exactly how we started our channel with a simple studio setup for product reviews and recording, and I must admit it's pleasing to see that we've got a much more of a bigger space to record in. More professional looking, and hopefully it's going to stand the test of time. So we're going to be doing our future reviews with this little setup now. We may change this little studio in the next few years, you never know. Hopefully if the channel grows, but yeah, just a little behind the scenes footage basically. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel today. Make sure you hit the bell notification option to stay updated on all our new uploads. It's very important to click that bell notification option. Sometimes YouTube, for some reason, you don't get notifications, so clicking that bell just makes it all important. But we do hope here that you all are staying safe, and thank you ever so much for watching and staying with us throughout the next few years. It's going to be very interesting. Hope to see you guys on our next video, and peace!